Welcome to Dr. Senan Homeopathy. Now our artificially intelligent system searched Materia Medica from all authors to find the most suitable remedy based on the rubric. Log in or get your membership now to access this service. After login, simply search for a patient by name. Click the View File to open their record. Add notes or check remedies instantly. Add a new patient with just one click. With our powerful search rubric engine and comprehensive Materia Medica database, finding the right rubric or remedy is just a click away. Simply type the rubric or select it from the list, assign a most likely weightage, and click the Add button. You can add multiple rubrics to generate the remedy. All selected rubrics and remedies will be displayed clearly in the table. View the rubric matrix to identify the most effective remedy. For more accurate repertorization, select the checkboxes in the matrix table to generate remedies based on combined rubrics. Below the matrix table, you can also view detailed remedy information, including rubric descriptions and clinical insights. Explore disease highlights and remedy insights to enhance your practice. Click on the Key Difference in Remedy button to instantly compare remedies and understand their key differences with confidence. To remove any rubric, click the red cross button. You can also add new multiple rubrics to update your remedy instantly. Notes from rubrics or remedies are automatically linked to the patient's history. Easily add notes directly to the patient's file, instantly and effortlessly. Smart, paperless, and professional records for every patient. Print complete case sheets with rubrics, remedies, and notes. Add patients in just one click, capture instant notes, and generate smart case sheets, all in one powerful AI homeopathy platform. Dr. Senan Homeopathy, Smarter Repertorisation and Remedy Finder. Visit us today.